Assalamualaikum, welcome to our school, Al-Jannah Kindergarten. With me, Miss Yeni. Okay, now let's see our school. This is our playground. Classroom. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 classroom here. Okay, let's move to our library. This is our library made from wood.
I'm from kindergarten. I am 5 years old. My favorite food is fried rice. I like fried rice with egg. The taste is delicious. My mom usually makes for me. Thank you. Hello, my name is Putri. I'm in kindergarten. I like longer. The text is sweet. Hello, my name is Tina from kindergarten. I am 5 years old. I like fried chicken. The taste is so good. Thank you. From kindergarten, and my favorite fruit is mango. Its color is green. The inside is orange. You're welcome. Hi guys. Before we eat, we wash our hands. Before we eat, we need to pray together.